Hi guys, let's start straight away. So this is the Velocissimo coffee machine by Caffitaly. So let's open this up. So I picked this up from Kohl's and I think they only do the black color. So let's open this up. So this is the Velocissimo S12. So if you guys are wondering or thinking of getting it, you can pick this up at Kohl's. So it comes all packed up like that. So I'm just gonna take this out and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so once you take it out, it comes packaged like so, and then in here we have some instructions that we'll need. So I'll take that and get a lot of different types of capsules for this machine. So let's see. I'm just gonna take this apart. So this is what I wanted. I just wanted like a smaller Caffitaly. I know they come with different ones, but this one is quite nice and small and it looks quite nice. So this is what it looks like. So obviously this is where the capsules will go, and obviously they've got a little tape there that will take off. At the back of it is a little jug. This is really good for people who don't want big machines. So this is what it looks like. It's super simple. There's your three options and on the front, so you can see. Right, so here you go. I'm gonna show you. So yeah, obviously here it just says that make sure to use the Caffitaly map capsules only, so make sure you do that. If you guys have bought this machine, please let me know what you thought of it. I'm really excited to try it out. I've already had an espresso before, so I just want to try something different. So if you guys have any comments, please leave them down below. And if you guys want me to do another video of showing you how to use this machine, let me know as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!